Question number 5. Knowing that the president has many duties to fulfill, how do you plan to delegate the responsibilities of your office?
I like to pass on this question because I am not the presidential candidate. Therefore, I cannot speak for him.
As a presidential candidate, I feel as though with Ryan and I, we have a very compatible relationship. And when we both signed on to this, we both stated that we are student government. The reason we say that is because I'm very focused on the students here at Florida State. Ryan is very focused within the government aspect of Florida State University. However, in my position as the president, it is my job to be the representative for our university. Because of that, I plan to allow Ryan here to do what it is that he would like to do, and then find a very valuable chief of staff who can run our initiatives and make sure that we're all being put into place to make sure that our student government is not only a student government that just sits up in the office and takes a position, but a student government that is branching out and working with our RSOs. Because of that, I feel as though I have to take the initiative and set the example, which has not been done thus far. And because of that, we are prepared on day one to walk into those offices, to find a valuable chief of staff, and say, you know what, here we go, let's make this happen.
As Florida State University's student body president candidate, there are, well, that's the executive side. So Andy is my vice presidential candidate who has been working within cabinet for 3 years now. He understands the internal workings, and that's exactly what is in the vice presidential position's duties. They are an internal worker. As Layman just stated, the president is more of a representative of the university, someone who sits on the board of trustees, someone who's dealing with administration and beyond, outside of the university on a day-to-day basis. Andy would be our main internal key point person. He would pretty much run cabinet, along with our chief of staff. As far as also reaching out to different areas of campus, we are very lucky that our treasurer candidate, Ms. Courtney Laster, is the current co-chair of the SOAR board, which is awesome because that's reaching out to an area on campus that student government is directly related with. All of the RSOs on campus, all 400 RSOs on campus. She has been their main contact person over the past 2 years. So I just feel like overall we have a very qualified slate that we will delegate our tasks to.